Yo, Kev, what do you want to eat, man?
I have no money, no DiGiorno, only a freezer with ice. I've got a hunger that can satisfy even Charlie Wise. But I check the fridge and see a dairy wedge of opportunity. How could I forget about a sandwich to make a blind man see? I'm talking about grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. I'm driving to class and I adjust my visa. Open my glove compartment and pull out a cheeser. Slam the thing down with satisfaction. Sip some half and half and I'm back in action. In lecture, I could use another snack. Inside my peak coat's another cheese attack. Bro was standing too close, all up in my space. So I took a grilled cheese and smeared it in his face. I'm sorry, grilled cheese, it was self-defense. I'll make it up to you. I'll buy provolone, mozzarella, lemon got cheddar. And every day I'm gonna eat grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. When I'm playing Uno Jenga, I eat grilled cheese. After talking to grandma, I eat grilled cheese. When I tee off the green, I eat grilled cheese. When I'm paying tribute to Queen, I eat bread and cheese.